This tutorial will go over the functions available to you in your eVetSite 3 in regards to the admin section. The admin home section hosts a lot of different areas. In this area you can change your template, update your account information, set up your email accounts, users, site security password, access to your statistics, and check out your form submissions. As well, under account maintenance, you can edit your account information. This is just general information about your page, including the contact name, business description, address, phone number, that sort of thing. The advanced site information includes two text fields where you can enter in code and HTML. If you are not familiar with HTML, cascading style sheets, or any sort of programming, you might want to stay away from this location unless you've got a little bit of guidance on there. If you do know HTML, this is a location for putting in cascading style sheets, applications like Google Analytics, trackers, etc. Same thing with this, the page footer. So these are both available now, and we do have some tips written up on setting up Google Analytics if you'd like more information. Also under account maintenance is the check your mail icon. This will take you to your webmail page where you're at checkmymail.net. Under the administration, we have user maintenance, site title and fave icon, site header content, site footer, common content, template selection, the security, and rebuilding of the indexes, this is if you're setting up search terms. Rebuilding the index builds an index of terms on your site so that the search page is updated and will then have the latest results. User maintenance, this is for setting up different users, people that are allowed and have access to updating the site. Member and contributors both have different settings. The site title and fave icon, here is where you can update your site. A fave icon is a little graphic that appears up here. Right now we don't have one, but here is where it would normally appear. The site header, this is where you can put the information that's at the top of the page. For example, your logo, name of the practice, etc. The footer, same thing. This is at the very bottom of the page. Common content is content that appears throughout the site in one location. Here we've included a little blurb, a phone number, office hours, etc. We've gone over the template selection in another tutorial. This is just another way of getting to it. Administration, site template selection. Sitewide Security, this is where you can set parameters for password length. You can also age it out so that your users have to change the password after a certain set amount of time. And you can give menu permissions to different users or groups. Rebuilding the indexes. This is just a way of the site backing itself up so that all the terms on the site since you've last updated will appear in the search type page. That way when folks search for a certain term, it will appear. As we move over, we'll see that we have components. Email account administration. This is where you can create an account, add account, delete an account, etc. Manage form responses. This is where you can get your responses, your submissions from forms that folks have submitted to you. Website statistics. This is a statistics page for your eVet Site 3. These come directly from the server, and they're just raw data. We do have a tip on breaking this down, the difference between hits and total hits, etc. This is just a very, very quick overview of the different things that you have available. And at the top we've got admin home, account information, and of course back to your website. This concludes our very brief overview of the admin area in your eVet Site 3.